Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary. I'm very excited because I got my very first box from Fashionsta. It's like Fashionista minus the I. Fashionsta. So anyway, just open it up. I'll show you what was inside. First thing, Marchology, which is the theme. And these are the 6 items, full size by the way. 6 full-size items that are in here. I don't mind that they're, some people are like, well, these are brands we've never heard of, and so on and so forth, about all boxes, not just this box in general. I don't mind that because a lot of times the indie brands are not are cruelty-free, where other items are not. So let me just take out this fuzzy stuff. And I can show you what's in here. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. The first item is M Greengrass is the name of the company. It's cruelty free and you can use it on your face, body, or hair without feeling greasy. Okay. Ooh. And it does, it is a little bit shiny, but it doesn't feel greasy. I'm going to take out the next thing that I'm most excited about, and this is this Sahara Rose I Am a Treasure Hydra C Serum. So this is a vitamin C serum, and let's see, Sahara Rose is vegan and cruelty free. All-in-one brightening, revitalizing serum packed with potent vitamin C, powerful antioxidants, super nutrients, and fruit extracts. So let's see. Let's just say none of this is going into trade. None of it. Okay, so this is what the bottle is like, and it's kind of like a little bit, it looks kind of like I have dirt on the table. Let's move that out of the way. I thought that would be nice, but it's not. So anyway, this is slightly cloudy looking serum. I am not going to crack it open yet, because I have a whole bunch of vitamin C serums. Next thing is this palette. I don't mind getting palettes. Some people are like, oh, I've had enough palettes. This is by Ditto Cosmetics. Okay, so it's in a clear case, which I do appreciate, and you know that I am that nerd who keeps packaging and keeps things in the box until I use them and everything. So you know this is going right back into this every time I use it. So this is by Ditto Cosmetics, and it's the Athena palette. And it is freaking stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's got a lot of green in it, which I love, and it's got rose gold, and it looks to have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shadows, and the rest, actually maybe it's 6, because it's these two, and these two. Yeah, I think it's, and this is also a matte shadow. So, this is just pure glitter. This one down here, I don't know how I'll use that. I don't want to put my fingers in it and have it start, going everywhere. I probably won't ever use that unless it's New Year's Eve or something and I can glue them on. I do have to try it because, I owe it to this palette to at least give it a try. So yeah, I actually really like this palette quite a bit. This is not a terribly expensive brand, but I don't care. And I don't mind getting a palette, even though I have a lot of palettes, because a lot of my palettes are now aging and probably won't be using them any longer. I have 3 other items. That's 3 items, so they gave us 6 items this month. It's LA Splash Cosmetics. And it is a lip sculptor, which I think is just a crayon. Yeah. A lip crayon, and it looks like it's in a nice nude color, which I think will go with pretty much anything I have. I do have a lot of lip liners, but most of them are really, really old. So anyway, this is a really pretty color. And I can start using that right away. It's got a little smudger on the end, so I'm not sure what that's for, but you know, it does seem like a really nice pencil. So next thing is Lip Love, and that is this lip gloss. Ooh, you're taped everywhere. Let's just say it's a really pretty brick color, which would be really great dotted over a bright red color, because some, you know, red lipsticks need a little chilling out, and this looks like it'd be really good. And finally, the last thing I think is a mascara. This is Medusa's Makeup, and this is definitely a vegan brand. So like, that's taped and that's taped. Oh, I have to, in order to show you the tube, I have to break the tape on everything. So this is like an excellent box. I really like pretty much everything in here. I'm very excited that this is a new subscription for me. I think they've only been in operation for about a year, so they're young in the box community. And honestly, they're killing it. BoxyCharm, you should be worried because this is just an excellent box. It does not need to be worth $500. It only needs to be worth what I judge it to be worth, and that is a lot. This is the Marchology, and I'm very excited. I put through a subscription and I got my box almost immediately. So this is just a absolutely fabulous box, and I absolutely love it. And I'm very excited because I did subscribe for a year, and now I will have 12 months of products to show you guys. You know, I did make a rule for myself that I would be using these products by the next time I get a box. So I will break open the vitamin C and use that one because I did want to review the entire box for you next time I come back. Review the previous box and then open the new box. So anyway, this is really good, and I'm very excited. So thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And have a beautiful evening. Good night.